Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can install Java in Windows 11. So for that you have to open a browser and search for download Java for Windows, and you will find the open source Java site. And from here you have to go to that site, open that site, and you will find this page in here. And so under here you will find many download option for your OS, Mac OS, Linux, or some other OS. And here I'm going to show you how to install in Windows 11. So here you will find a Windows Offline. Click on that, and this download will happen. I already have downloaded it. So after downloading, you have to just open it. So it is loading. From here, you have to just click on install, and it will say installing Java, and it will get installed. So the installation will be finished, and it will say you have successfully installed Java, and you can use it like you wanna use it in basically you can use it for your purpose. And after installation, all you have to do is just click on close. So that's how you can simply install Java on Windows 11. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe. And also thank you very much for watching this video.